In today's video, we will try to learn our next step of cost center wise budget. For this, now we will pass the sales voucher entry. So come here, vouchers, get your tally and then vouchers. Press F8 for selection of sales. Then press F2 for selection of date, which is 01/02/2025. The date is changed. Now we will make some changes, which is press Ctrl H and made it as voucher. If you don't made it as voucher, then you can't pass this entries. So made it as voucher. Then one more changes for press F12 and show inventory details, made it no. If this is not made no, and if you will not make this no, then you can't pass this journal. So inventory details will be no. And press Ctrl A for save and then press enter. Now we will pass these entries. For the entry, debit will be the cash. Skip these details. The amount is 7,300. Press enter. The credit will be sales. We don't have any name of item, so we will skip this. 7,300. The sales will also be 7,300 and then press enter. The new window of cost category and cost center is open. Now select this items, product line, cost category and cost center will be the first one is photo frame. The amount is 3,200, which is mentioned in our question, and the second one is soft toys. So select soft toys and the amount is 4,100. Press enter. If you want to put nice and then put it here, or otherwise press enter, accept it. Now we will make same entry of the month of March. So select the date by pressing F2, 01/03/2025. Press enter. Debit will be the cash. Skip these details. The amount will be 7,700. Press enter. It will be sales. Nothing to mention. 7,700 is selected. Press enter. The product line is selected, photo frame, and the amount is 2,800. And the next amount, which is for soft toys, so select soft toys and the amount is 4,900. Press enter, accept yes. Now we view our budget. The cost center report automatically displays the variance based on actual amount and the proportional budget amount on the last voucher entry date. So we will come here, get your tally, then go with display mode reports, then go with statement of accounts, then go with cost centers, then go with category summary. So here, come here and press F10 and then select the month of budget, which is February to March. The selection is complete, and then press F2 for making the date. So the date will be 01/02/2025. The next date is 31/03/2025. Press enter. You can see the exact amount. Press this right arrow, so you can see the exact changes in our amount. All the budget of this month, February and March, is showing here. Thank you for watching.